NASA is racing against the clock to intercept the god of chaos asteroid threatening Earth's orbit. It's the Apophis asteroid, and it's estimated to come by us April 13th, 2029. So you can understand we only have about 5 years. NASA is sending a spacecraft to investigate the Apophis asteroid that will pass close to Earth in a few years' time. Will they be able to make it? A NASA spaceship has been launched to investigate the so-called god of chaos, Apophis asteroid, that could reach the Earth's orbit. The OSIRIS Apex has been sent to study the Apophis asteroid, which is due to fly by Earth April in 2029. And while not expected to crash into our planet, its passing will be once in a 7,500 year event, according to NASA. In a statement, NASA said, "The intrigue of Apophis is its exceptionally close approach of our planet, April 13th, 2029. And this is, by the way, a very huge asteroid. Although Apophis will not hit Earth during this encounter or in the foreseeable future, the pass in 2029 will bring the asteroid within only 20,000 miles, that's 32,000 kilometers, of our Earth's surface. It will be closer than some of our satellites, and close enough that it could be visible to the naked eye in the Eastern Hemisphere. Scientists estimate that asteroids of Apophis size, about 1,000 feet across, come this close to Earth only once every 7,500 years. OSIRIS Apex, formerly known as OSIRIS Rex, recently returned from a trip to the space rock Bennu, where it was collecting samples and creating a mosaic image of the asteroid. Its trip to Bennu took a total of 7 years, traveling some 6 billion miles to and from Earth. The OSIRIS Apex new mission is similar to that of its one to Bennu, with NASA explaining that it will use its instrument suite of imagers, spectrometers, and a laser altimeter to closely map the surface and analyze its chemical makeup. Amy Simon, the mission's project scientist based at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, said OSIRIS Apex will study Apophis immediately after such a pass, allowing us to see how its surface changes by interacting with Earth's gravity. "The close approach is a great natural experiment," said Danny Mendoza de la Guistina, a principal investigator for OSIRIS Apex at the University of Arizona in Tucson. He said, "We know that tidal forces and the accumulation of rubble pile material are foundational processes that could play a role in planet formation. They could inform how we got from debris to the early solar system to full-blown planets." That's all very well and good for us to know how our solar system and the universe developed, but the thing is to protect the Earth from things like this, isn't it? Apophis last made headlines around the world in 2004, when initial observations predicted it could hit Earth in 2029. While the prediction was pinned at 2.7% at the time, it was put at a level of 4 on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, which categorizes the impact hazards of near-Earth objects. It was the highest ever measured using the scale. However, it was downgraded after 4 days in December 2004. Its name Apophis is derived from the Greek for Apep, an enemy of ancient Egyptian sun god Ra, who would attempt to swallow Ra each night. And this is on Express UK by Alice Hickman. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.